Alright, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be doing a review on these fancy new water goggles, swimming goggles, whatever you guys call these things. I'm going to talk to you about them a little bit, then I'm going to try them on, and I'm also going to let my boys try them on. Well, first off, it comes with this nice little fancy case. About dropped them. It does come with a little cleaning cloth if you want to clean them. I don't know how often I'll probably use that case, but my kids will probably lose that. My first impression on opening these up, they do seem quite nice, especially for the price. They're not that really expensive. They're supposed to be polarized. If you ever had polarized glasses, like it takes the glare off the water. I always buy a polarized glass for like fishing and stuff, but it makes it a lot easier to see in the water and out of the water. These would be really nice, I think, for if you were like riding around in a jet ski, or if you're like on a swim team, or maybe if you're just playing any water sports in the pool. But we're gonna see how these go and see how good you can see through them. I already had them on. They fit really nice on my face. The lenses are supposed to be an anti-fog lens. This strap here is latex free or PVC free. The gasket is supposed to be a silicone gasket that goes around your eyes. And the lens is curved, so I think that's going to help to see better. And it says, when I look these up on Amazon, it says they have a 100% money back guarantee if you do not like them. Oh, and one more, it does have this nice little button right here to make it real easy to adjust. Push it in. Well, that is a lot easier. Has anybody ever adjusted goggles? Pain in the butt. Yeah. All right, let's try them out.
They give like a tiny purplish tint, and it looks really cool. Is it on?
Definitely make you look pretty cool.
Can I film? They didn't get fogged up at all.
Or if you want to check out these goggles, I will have a link down in the description. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless and happy swimming.
Yeah, can I have the goggles? Hey, yeah.
Happy swimming.
Wait.
Ready? Ready? You're too dang heavy.
You should throw me,
See if I can do it better.
here, throw me, like, turn around.